Hi, I'm Ollie, and today we're going to be doing our matcha hero drink. It's going to be an Ube Matcha, iced, and we're going to do an Ube cold foam on top as well. Let's make our matcha mix. About 30 grams of water, a good whisk, vibrant green. So for the cold foam, what we're going to do is we're going to use our cold foam jug, put a splash of skimmed milk in there, just enough to cover the blade, and then 2 pumps of Ube syrup. Ube is, and you've got to hear me out a little bit here, is a sweet potato from the Philippines, but it's got more of a flavour profile of kind of vanilla and roasted nuts, so it's like super sweet, super creamy. Doesn't taste like potato at all. It's one of my favourite of the sweet bird syrups. I'm going to put 2 pumps in the bottom of our drink and then top it up with ice. Next, going to add some milk. I'm going to use dairy milk today. Also works really nicely with oat milk. Add our matcha. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. And finish it off with cold foam. Lovely. Absolutely stunning.